Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here and want to learn Waze from absolute zero, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to message people in this app, step by step, in very simple language. Many users think Waze has a chat or messaging feature, but for safety reasons, Waze does not allow direct private messaging between drivers. However, communication still happens in a different way. When you report an accident, traffic, or hazard, other users can see your report and confirm it. This confirmation system acts as indirect communication. Sometimes, Waze map editors or support team members may contact you through the app if they need more information about a report you submitted, but regular chatting or messaging is not available. This keeps drivers focused on the road and avoids distractions. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.